What if I told you you could eat clean, exercise daily, and still destroy your health just by sleeping less than 6 hours? And no, coffee doesn't fix it. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is repairing mode. When you sleep, your body turns into a 24/7 medical laboratory, fixing hormones, repairing cells, burning fat, and clearing toxins from your brain. But when sleep drops below 6 hours and you stay awake, that lab shuts down and things start to break. First victim, cortisol, your stress hormone. Less sleep, your cortisol stays high. High cortisol tells your body, store fat, break muscle, stay stressed. One night of poor sleep can cause insulin resistance the next day. That means higher blood sugar, more fat storage, stronger cravings. Now here's the dangerous combo. Leptin goes down, the hormone that says I'm full. Ghrelin goes up, the hormone that says eat everything. That's why after bad sleep, you crave sugar like your life depends on it. During deep sleep, your brain activates the glymphatic system. It literally washes away toxic waste. No sleep and toxins stay. This increases risk of brain fog, anxiety, depression, Alzheimer's disease. So no, I'll sleep when I'm dead is a terrible plan. Here's the brutal truth. Sleep less than 6 hours and your body burns less fat, loses more muscle, slows metabolism. Growth hormone, the fat-burning anti-aging hormone, is released almost entirely during deep sleep. No sleep, no growth hormone. Your gym efforts, canceled. Your body follows a circadian rhythm. Best sleep window, 10 p.m., 6 a.m. Melatonin peaks around 10, 11 p.m. Miss that window and sleep quality drops, even if you sleep longer later. So yes, sleeping at 2 a.m. and waking at 10 a.m. is not the same. If you want better sleep, dark room. No screens 1 hour before bed. Cold temperature. Same sleep time daily. Magnesium helps. Simple, powerful, free. And now that you know this, do me a favor. Don't watch one more video. Put your phone down. Turn off the lights. Go to sleep. But before you do, like this video, subscribe for more science-backed health videos. Your body will thank you tomorrow. Good night.